Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BIGPUMP token. Ticker symbol is PUMP. Now this token has over 1 million holders, and they're getting some pretty big central exchange listings starting tomorrow. And we are going to go over what this token is all about and review their audits, see if there's a KYC, and see if there's any security issues with this token that could potentially lead to scam risks. So we're going to go over the BIGPUMP token and potential scam risks in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the BIGPUMP token, it's on the Binance Smart Chain. It's a BEP20 token. It is a meme coin, and it is listed, or being listed. It looks like, let me verify here. It is listed already on PancakeSwap, and it's being listed tomorrow, March 26th, on a bunch of different big central exchanges, including MEXC Global and a bunch of others. And yeah, so name of the token is BIGPUMP, all one word, and they have 1,053,598 holders. I do believe that some of them were airdrops. I don't believe everybody has bought this token from PancakeSwap, although I do see a lot of recent transactions on PancakeSwap. Looking at their BSC scan, I do believe a lot of their holders are from airdrops. There's 18 decimal places on this token, and there is a max total supply of 4,444,444,444,444 tokens. Now, it says it's just a meme coin is what MEXC Global tells me. But if you go to their webpage, bigpump.org, they're going to have a little bit more information over there. Now, you can find their chart on Dex Tools and on Dex Screener. We're going to have a look at that in a second here. So bigpump.org has a link to their Twitter, which is at pumpbigpump. It's the name of their Twitter there. And they have this like pump machine here. It looks like a big pump. Big pump to the moon, it says. And contract address is right on the page. They got a bunch of memes talking about Pump It. Pump is a meme coin, represents everyone in crypto dreaming of a big pump of their coins. Pump doesn't have any utility. There is no team to back it up. So, right off the bat, we could see that the team is not doxed on their webpage. So that could be sketchy if you have no idea who the team is. They don't have any links to any of their team members' socials or their faces or names or anything. Anybody who created the token is not visible on their webpage. They also do not have a full audit, and they do not have a KYC or SAFU badge or Docs badge or any of those things. But we can find some audits in just 1 second here. I did find some audits earlier. So right now, this token is up 358% in the past 24 hours, according to Dex Screener. Their market cap is $59.2 million, and that is also their FDV. They have $10.4 million in liquidity on PancakeSwap. 24-hour trading volume is $65.7 million, it says. And they've had 33,930 transactions within the past 24 hours. And yeah, so their pool was created on PancakeSwap. It says 12 hours, 42 minutes ago. So to acquire 1 million holders in that short amount of time is a little weird, right? That many holders in that short amount of time. So I'm assuming a lot of them are from airdrops. Again, their webpage does not specify. Maybe their Twitter does, though. If we head over to their Twitter, maybe they'll talk about airdrops there, things like that. Now their Twitter BIGPUMP has 96,600 followers. They just joined in September 2023 last year. And 33 tweets only so far. So trading just went live 4 hours ago, it says. So they just tweeted out trading link for Bakery Swap and Pancake Swap there. So this token's getting a bunch of listings. It's getting listed on BitGet. It's getting listed on, looks like LBANK. It's getting listed on Gate, on MEXC Global. They all have different events going on before this listing here. And so also they tweeted out March 23rd, beware of scams, pump contract address has not been announced yet, but it is available now because you could find it. Yeah, so they had a pre-sale, it says here. They sold $280 million in the pre-sale, it says here. So they had a huge pre-sale, so maybe that's where a lot of those holders come from. That would make a lot of sense. So $280 million. Wow. They sold a lot of tokens. All right, let's get over to the... So if you go over to DEX Tools, even on DEX Screener too, they have a Go Plus security audit. But on DEX Tools, if you go over there, you can click on their audit here, and they have a quick intel audit, Go Plus security, and a honeypot.is audit. So 3 different quick audits. Keep in mind, they're not full audits. And then there may be more here on staysafu.org and on Token Sniffer. So it says contract is verified, no honeypot, no buy and sell tax, no proxy contract, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, no blacklisting. It says balance is not modifiable, no self-destruct, no external call risk, no max sell ratio, no anti-whale, no trading cooldown. No personal tax modifiable, no other risks. Now let's get to the bad things. So there's 3 different warnings on here. So transfers are possible. So that is the first warning. Quick Intel and Go Plus Security both agree that transfers are possible. Now there's also whitelisting. So that both Go Plus Security and Quick Intel both agree that there is whitelisting. So that's a warning. And then there's a conflict here. Quick Intel Security says there's a hidden owner, and Go Plus Security says there's not. But you know, having a hidden owner is sketchy. Being able to whitelist is sketchy, and then transfers are possible is kind of sketchy. So be aware of that. Let's check out here, see if these. So there's Token Sniffer. So if we go to Token Sniffer for BIGPUMP. Let's see here. There's nothing really on here. Okay, so there we go. So it says at least 95% of liquidity burned locked for at least 15 years. Now, there's an X on that, though. So there's a warning. So it says not enough liquidity is secured for the minimum duration, which could allow for significant amounts to be removed. And then it says, you know, in brackets, rug pull. Note this test only checks well-known lockers and will not accurately represent locked liquidity from some locking vesting contract. So just be aware of that. They're saying that there is a rug pull risk. So that's why there's an X there. So that's pretty sketchy. There's also an X here. It says source does not contain a pausable contract, and then owner renounced or source does not contain an owner contract. So that's the pausable warning and the hidden owner warning. So they're just basically agreeing with those other audits. But then there's a liquidity warning here. So that can be sketchy. And then, so the Seifu scanner says they didn't get a perfect score either on that. They got 96.8 out of 100. And yeah, so it says top 5 owners hold 35.9% of the tokens, according to the Stay Seifu audit here. So that's a lot, for especially for 1 million holders, right? And yeah, so I mean, it says ownership is renounced. So there is a bunch of warnings anyways. So just be aware of all those warnings. That one, the one rug pull warning is pretty sketchy. You can find all these audits on DEX tools. I'm going to put the warnings up on the screen right here so you guys can easily find them or easily see them. But yeah, it says our scanner has detected no risk that this token will be rugged or become a delayed honeypot. However, if this token isn't listed yet, we are missing a lot of data on this scan. So, I mean, Stay Seifu says there's no warning, but if you go over to DEX tools, also, a lot of the times, if you look at the liquidity button right here where it says $10.25 million liquidity on PancakeSwap, if it is locked, the lock button should be lit up, and it is not lit up. So that, again, tells me that it's not locked or not fully locked. It could be locked, again, like they said, by a lesser non-verifiable locker. That could be possible, but, not looking perfect anyway. So I'm not saying it is a scam, or I'm not saying it isn't a scam, but I am saying that their audits are not perfect, and there is warnings on there. There's the potential for this token to be a scam. This token is up 330% in the past 24 hours and getting a ton of big central exchange listings starting tomorrow. So let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about BIGPUMP? Do you guys think this is sketchy or not? Do you think this is a good investment, or what do you think? Leave a comment down there. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.